Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook profile frame, and for this I'm going to be using Canva on my laptop. So for this demonstration I'm going to open up Canva. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel as well. Alright, once I'm inside Canva here, what I want to do is to search Canva's content here for Facebook frames. So I'm just going to type in Facebook frame. And now if I scroll down here, you got suggested templates. I've got over 250,000 I can check out. So I'm going to click on see all. And now as you can see, all these different Facebook frames I can use and customize. So if I scroll down here, you can see there's free ones and some that you need to have a subscription with Canva. So choose which one you want to use. And you've got filters, categories, and media here as well. So if you click on filters, you can filter out these frames. So you can choose a business, social media, education, video marketing, all these different categories, styles, themes, features, year, subject, etc., etc. And a cool feature here, you can filter out all the free ones too to the pro one. So if you just want all free ones to appear because you don't have the pro subscription, just click on free, and now none of the pro version frames will appear. So I'm going to do some filtering, so I'm going to keep that free. And now if I come up here and under style, I might do a minimalist type of look. So I'm going to click on minimalist and modern. So I'm going to apply these free filters. And now as you can see, you got all these different Facebook frame templates like I said earlier. So just choose which one you want to use. So for this demonstration, I might use this one here, and then I'm going to click on customize this template. So all them are customizable too, and if you don't have a Canva installed on your laptop or PC, just do a Google search and install it. It's completely free to use. So yeah, from here I can edit the photo. So I can click the photo and click delete. And now as you can see, there's a frame here, so I can put my own photo in here. So for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to put a random image in. Alright, to do so, what I want to do is click on uploads here on the left pane. And now I want to click on upload files from my PC. I'm going to choose downloads. I'm going to use this image here. So here's the image. So I'm just going to drag and drop this image in here. And now I can move it around if I like. Make it smaller and bigger. Yep, so that looks good to me. Now I can change the background color as well. So I'm going to click on the background and now click on the color, and I can change this to any color I want to. So I might go blue. Also with these decorations, I can move these decorations around like so, keep them there or whatever. Yeah, so it's very customizable. I might delete this one on the top. And once you've done editing the image here, your Facebook profile, just simply click on share, download this image, click on download, then that will save to your files inside your PC. So I'm going to download it and keep it in my downloads here. And yeah, that's it guys, how to make a simple Facebook profile frame.